So, you have a suran or yam and you want to make a spicy preparation with it. Then, this recipe with a tangy tomato gravy and melt in the mouth yams is for you. Welcome to Ranna Roshmita and we are making Suran Tamatar Masala. For this, first start with our star ingredient, suran, also known as elephant yam. Cut them into small cubes and wash them to remove any dirt or impurities. Then heat some mustard oil in a kadhai, and when the oil is smoking hot, add in the diced suran pieces. Fry them over high to medium heat so they develop a delicious flavor and have a crispy outer crust which will help it cling to gravy. Once they are golden brown, take them off and keep them aside. Next, in the same oil, add some diced potatoes and fry for 2 to 3 minutes over high to medium flame. The potatoes will make your gravy more hearty and give a variation in textures. Once done, take them off and keep them aside as well. Then, add a bit more mustard oil in the remaining oil in the kadhai. When hot, temper the oil with bay leaf, dry red chili and some whole cumin seeds. Add in some chopped onions and fry them over high to medium heat until they turn golden brown. Add ginger paste and for the dominant tomato flavors, chopped tomatoes. Fry them until the tomato starts to sweat. For the spices, add turmeric powder, spicy red chili powder, cumin powder and some garam masala. Fry the masalas on medium heat with occasional sprinkles of water. This will incorporate the flavors of the masala into the gravy and they will not burn. This combination of fried spices and tomatoes will give the perfect taste we are after. So, have patience and keep frying the masalas until they start to release their oil. As you can see, the gravy has released its oil. Now you can add the fried potatoes and yams. Stir and coat them with all the delicious masalas. Add water at this stage to cook the potatoes and yams through and help them absorb the flavors from the gravy. Add salt as per your preference and give it a stir. Simmer, cover and cook for 10 minutes. After removing the lid, you will see the gravy has reduced and has come to the right consistency. Cut a piece of yam to see if they are done. Finish off with a dollop of desi ghee, a handful of chopped coriander leaves and some chopped chilies for the heat. Give it one final stir and your spicy Suran Tamatar Masala is ready. Make your suran like this next time and we assure you, you will keep licking your fingers. And if you like this video, give it a like and share. And until next time, happy cooking!